Hi, my name is Michelle. Today I'm going to create another look with my Metropolis palette. So I've got my base done. Just need to prime my eyes. We can get started. So I've got my eyes primed with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. Just going to give that a moment to set down. I don't want to look up too much while it's drying down so I don't get any creases. Today I'm going to create a look with my Metropolis palette. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I want to create a very fall vibes look. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with a very fluffy natural hair blender. I want to go in with, let's start off with this really beautiful mustard, this bright mustard here at the top. And I'm just going to kind of keep that on the inner part of the crease. I love Natasha Denona Mats, and I absolutely love this palette so much. Haven't used it in a while, which is a shame. I mean, I did play with it the other day for some reds, so that was good. Okay, next I think I want to go in with I'm going to go in with a little bit of this might be too fluffy. I'm going to go in with this color here. And my palette might look a little bit different than what it's supposed to, like maybe around in here or something, because I did drop this shortly after I first got it, and I tried really hard to put it back together the way that it came, but I'm not sure I did. So, okay, I'm going to go in with this matte here, this dark one back here, the same brush, because this is a cream to powder, so I know the color is going to come out really well. Ooh, that mixed so beautifully with that yellow. Which one did I just grab? Fuck. I think it was this one. I don't think it was. Yeah, it wasn't. Okay, so let me grab this first one. Okay, now they're not matching because I don't know what I'm doing. Let me try to get them to match. Okay. All right, so for the outer half of the crease, I mixed both of these two shades back in here and just kind of blended that up into where I have the yellow. Take another smaller natural hair blender, and I'm going to go back in with that mustard shade and just try to really reinforce that so that I don't lose that with the brown. Maybe blend out that brown a little bit with that mustard too. All right. Next, I'm going to go in with this little, I think it's a natural haired and synthetic mix from Morphe. I don't even know if you can get this anymore, but I'm going to go into this really pretty shimmery golden color. It's really fiery. I think I'm going to put that here in the middle. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, I do want to go in with a darker shimmer in the back. I'm going to go in with this darker kind of orangey shimmer on the back. It's just a little bit deeper than the front part, just for a little bit of dimension. I'm not even sure you can tell the difference on the screen, but I can see it here in the camera. I mean, like here in person. Okay, let me just get a little bit of blending done. I'm gonna go in with this okay, that had a fluff on it. I'm gonna go in with this JH30, a natural hair fluffy blender, and I'm just gonna soften that top area a little bit and the edges. Then, what can I do now? I'm going to take a little shader brush and I'm going to try it. I've never touched this really bright shimmer golden yellow right here. First touch. Nothing tapped off. I'm going to put that here on the inner corner and see if that like brings a little bit of brightness. It really didn't. Try again. Yeah, I did. I just needed to build it up on the brush. I didn't pick up enough. Can you see that? I like the way that looks. It's not as impactful as I had thought, but it does brighten up the front. I am going to try wetting it and just see if that will intensify. I'm going to wet it and see if I can intensify that look. Oh yeah, that's a little bit more golden for sure. Okay, that's a really fire orange eye. I'm not sure this is the look that I was expecting when I started off, but I didn't really have any plan in mind. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some depth with deepening up with this brown a little bit on a small little natural haired blender. I'm gonna try to just shape out my eye a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take that same brush and same brown. Okay. And I think also what I want to do is I'm going to take another natural haired shader. This is from the JH Morphe line. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the red and just put that here on the outer part because I really want to like fire up the outer edges. Is this kind of like the look that I did with the Sunset palette? I feel like maybe it is. The Sunset palette and this palette would go really good together. The mattes from the Sunset with some of these shimmers would be a great pairing. I feel like the look is almost done. But I want a little pop of white kind of brightness. So I'm gonna take some of this pale shimmer. It's not exactly a white, but I'm gonna just brighten it up a little bit right here. Because I just feel like it's so yellow that I want a little bit more contrast and brightening for the inner area. Hi, baby girl. My baby girl. Okay. Here it is with the pop of white on top of the golden shades in the inner corner, and I like the difference that made. I also think I'm going to take a little bit of that here at the top, just because I like that look. Okay. All right, here's the completed eye look. Let me finish it out with liner and mascara, and I'll come back and show you the completed look. Okay, so here's the completed look. I like it. It's not what I expected when I opened up the palette, but it's what you would expect when you look at the color story, I guess. I love the way it looks. I like the way it looks with the brown lip and the super dark brown lip liner. My lip line's a little wonky. Let's not talk about that today. I love it. I think it's a beautiful fall eye look, and I really enjoyed playing with this palette again today. Yeah, so that's another look in the books for me with my Metropolis palette. I do plan to play with this palette again, especially because I mainly use it during the fall. So I plan to do a few more fall looks with it in the coming weeks. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the look down below. Let me know, do you have this palette? Are you planning on picking it up? Are you gonna dupe the vibes? The color story is very dupeable. The formula itself, maybe not so much completely, because she's got a lot of her cream to powders in here. Well, I don't feel like the formula is very dupeable. Hey, hey, Bandit, get out of there. What are you doing? Get out of there, Bandit. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come lay down. Go lay down. Good boy. I don't feel like the formula is dupeable, but the color story is certainly dupeable. So if you have these similar tones in your collection, you can certainly dupe the vibes and create a similar style fall look. Let me know, do you enjoy fall eyeshadow looks? I love fall looks, especially because I don't normally gravitate towards warm tones. I have been lately, but yeah, so anyway, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.